turn anti-clockwise, and you can open, top up, correct engine oil grade. Don't going to mix up this is screen washer symbol. You can add antifreeze this component. This is brake fluid reservoir. You can see this is the minimum level, this is the max. If your vehicle has an engine oil in between, you are fine. I'm going to show you how to check. Top up your engine bay. This is Vauxhall Astra 2010 model. I'm going to show you inside engine bay top ups. First of all, we need to open the bonnet latch. Underneath the steering, you need to pull. There is a inside latch. You can see shiny bit. Just press towards passenger side like this, and after that you can open your bonnet. This is screen washer symbol. You can add antifreeze screen washer. Do you know what's this symbol? This is coolant sign. This vehicle has a pink or red color coolant. Don't going to mix up the color. Add only same color. And also you can see there is a arrow mark. This is the maximum level, and the little bit bottom, that's a low level. Make sure top up to until top level. This is engine oil symbol. You can open, turn anti-clockwise, and you can open, top up, correct engine oil grade. Don't going to mix up the engine oil grade. If you doesn't know what grade of the vehicle has, please contact your local supplier or dealer. You can find out which oil grade this one has. This is dipstick. This is the maximum level. This is the low level. If your vehicle has an engine oil in between, you are fine. I'm going to show you how to check. You can see as it is, it's in top level. You are fine. One more thing I want to mention this point: when you're going to top up engine oil, top up little by little and check with your dipstick. If you add too much engine oil, you have to go to the local garage and drain the oil. Because of that, go bit and bit, you will be fine. Do you know what is this component? This is brake fluid reservoir. You can see this is the minimum level, this is the maximum level. In between, you are fine. And also make sure add correct brake fluid for this one. This one say DOT 4. Make sure add DOT 4. Now you know how to check your engine bay. Please subscribe and follow my channel. You can get a lot of useful video and tips. Thank you. See you in the next video.